Hey, what's up, y'all? Coming back at you with another DIY project. Today we're going to be working on my 2014 BMW 550i with the X-Drive M Sport Series. We're going to do a air filter change. In the description below, I will put the item number that I picked up and where I got it from. This is the item number of the part, and as you can see at the top there, it's from Nutrien Automotive in California. It comes as a kit. They send you two L filters, left and the right, and we're going to start putting these in right now. Okay, so the tools you're going to need are a flathead screwdriver and a T25 Torx bit screwdriver. The flathead screwdriver is for the air filter housing. Sometimes the top and bottom gets fused together with the seal, so it might be kind of tough to get them apart. So you use the flathead to try to pry them apart so you can get in there. And also the flathead may be used for getting the clips off of the plugs that are on each air filter. I'll show you those in a second. First thing you want to do is pop off this middle cover here, and that will expose the two air filters. As you can see them, the filter housing is one there and one right there. We want to look for the Torx bit screws. Let me get the light so we can see better over here. Okay. And as you can see them down there, 1, 2, 3. There's about 8 of them going all the way around. So you just want to make sure you get all those out. And these are the plugs that I was talking about. It's going to be one on each air filter, one there, and one here. Also, you're going to want to loosen up this first clamp here, just so that we can get that front cover off and get the filter replaced in there. And you're gonna do the same on the other side. Just that first top one there, loosen that one, and then you have better access to the filters. So let's get started. So now, as you can see, I got that top clamp loose. I pulled the little boot off of the air filter housing. I have the screws out all the way around. But one thing to note, there is one hiding on you, and it's right underneath these wires back here. So make sure you get that one, or you'll be sitting here struggling with it for 10 minutes like I was. So now that we have the cover off, as you can see, the cover's there. Actually, the plug, I just left plugged in there because there was enough slack in the little cable there to just sit to the side. So there's no need to actually unplug it. As you can see, the filter is sitting in there. Let's get it out. It just sits in there. There's a rubber seal around the whole air filter, so it just sits in the housing there. And as you can see, it's a little dirty. Not terrible, but whatever. So we're going to just replace this with the new one. We're going to clean out inside there, get the leaves and that kind of stuff out of there, and then just reverse the process. And we'll go on the other side and do the same over there. That's all to it. All right, so here you see we have the before and afters. There's the new and the old. As you can see, the old one's pretty dirty. So we're just going to replace this one, put it in the housing back there, get that all nice and cleaned up. Replace the boot on the side with the clamp, and then all the Torx bits back in. And then we're going to start on that one, just do the same process and get that one out and replaced. And that's it, all done. All right guys, hit like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks.